blooming beauty. Inspiring corner flower bed designs for your garden. A well-designed garden can transform any outdoor space into a stunning retreat. And one of the most effective ways to achieve this is through the creation of a blooming beauty in the form of a corner flower bed. These vibrant garden designs not only enhance the visual appeal of your property, but also bring life and color to your landscape. Imagine a tiered garden that showcases a diverse array of colorful flowers and plants, artfully arranged to create a captivating focal point in your yard. The use of stone retaining walls adds both structure and elegance, establishing distinct levels that guide the eye and invite exploration. These walls create a seamless transition between the various layers of your floral display, allowing each plant's unique beauty to shine through. Incorporating lush greenery, such as shrubs and small trees, into your corner flower bed design serves to complement the vibrant colors of your blooming beauty. The interplay between the rich foliage and the bright floral display creates a dynamic and harmonious environment that is visually striking and inviting. When planning your corner flower bed, consider the selection of diverse plants that will thrive in your specific climate and soil conditions. This not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also supports local biodiversity. Choose flowers that bloom at different times throughout the growing season to ensure that your garden remains vibrant and colorful year-round. In conclusion, a thoughtfully designed corner flower bed can elevate your garden into a stunning showcase of nature's beauty. By incorporating tiered levels, stone retaining walls, and a mix of colorful flowers and lush greenery, you will create a vibrant garden that is both inspiring and tranquil. Embrace the potential of your outdoor space and let your creativity flourish in designing a blooming beauty that reflects your personal style.